All right, guys, so as mentioned in this part of the series, we're going to be setting up your first cryptocurrency exchange. The platform that we're going to be signing up to is called CoinStash, and you can find a link, which is a referral link, and it will give you a benefit of being able to unlock $200 worth of Bitcoin if you use it. You can find that in our Discord server, or I'll also put the referral link to sign up to the exchange in this description of this video. Now, for those of you who are more like to look into reading things rather than watching videos, you can actually head over to the Imperial Wealth Knowledge Center. I'm going to pop the link to that in the description of this video as well, but we'll just have a quick look at what that looks like. So in here, we've got our Imperial Wealth Knowledge Center. As you scroll down, you can come into the crypto topics. And if you just use this search panel here, you could type in exchange. And basically, there's a whole section on cryptocurrency exchanges. It explains what they are. And then on the right-hand side, you can see there's subcategories of exchanges. One being, what is a centralized exchange? What is a decentralized exchange? And what exchange should I be using? So feel free, I'll put the link here, but feel free to navigate yourself in the Knowledge Center. But let's go ahead and start signing up to CoinStash. So heading back over to Discord. All right, so we're back over at the Discord now, and we're going to start signing up to the CoinStash exchange. If you're not on the Discord, then I'll put the link in the description of the video to CoinStash so you can click it there. But let's go ahead and click on this one now. So this is going to open up the CoinStash website, and like anything, you're just going to follow the prompts of signing up. So click here, sign up as an individual, or if you're using a self-managed super fund or company or trust, you can choose one of those. For this case, I'm just going to use a Google account. So give me 2 seconds and I'll put that in. So it's going to be Imperial Wealth Demo, and we come across, and I'll pop in password. All right, so click continue. And that's going to take you into the CoinStash portfolio. Now, what you're going to need to do so you can actually properly start using the CoinStash platform is you're going to need to verify your phone and verify your ID. That's for KYC, or know your customer. You need to put in your ID so that you can actually upload Australian dollars into there. That's obviously for anti-money laundering purposes. You need to put in your verification, okay? So follow the prompts here. You can simply just go and click verify phone, pop your phone number in, and then click send code, and you'll verify your phone, and then click the verify ID once you've done that. For now, I'm going to go and log into my account, which I've already done all the verification for. So we'll be back in 2 seconds. After you've completed your ID verification through both your phone number and your driver's license or passport, whatever it might be, you will have a fully unlocked account, and you can now start taking advantage of being able to deposit Australian dollars. So up here in the top right hand corner, you can click the deposit AUD button, and that's going to allow you to put in from your bank account, send money to a BSB and account number, and then you'll be able to put in a description of whatever it says here, and that will simply send money from your Australian bank account onto your cryptocurrency exchange at CoinStash. You then, once that lands, it should be instant. If not, then you can go down here to the support button down the bottom right on CoinStash and just ask them why it hasn't come in yet, but it should be instant. And once you've done that, you can then go and shop around. So you can come to the trade tab up the top left-hand side of the exchange, and just in here you can see all the main cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you're an absolute beginner, are probably the only ones that you should be looking at for now. And you can simply come over and say for Bitcoin, you could come and click on this buy, sell, swap. So you click that. Alternatively, if you actually already have cryptocurrency and you're sending it to the CoinStash platform, say you've got Bitcoin and you want to send it to the CoinStash platform, then you can click on this deposit button, and it'll give you, you can then follow the prompts, click the Bitcoin, and it'll give you a deposit address you copy that address and you can send it. But that's something a bit more advanced for later. For the moment, as we can see, what we're looking to do is just click on the buy, sell, swap button, and that takes you to this kind of charting area where you can basically choose to buy some Bitcoin with the available funds that you have there, okay? So say you wanted to buy, 0.01 worth of a Bitcoin, you could do that, or you put in the Australian dollar amount, sorry, so say you want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin, you can then click that buy button and it's going to buy it for you. So yeah, it's pretty much as simple as that. You'd click buy there and then you get the last quoting amount. You pay a little bit in a fee, about $5 in a fee, which is fine. And then you'd click buy and it'll buy that for you. Okay, so there you go. Just purchase a little bit of Bitcoin there. Outside of that, there's some really cool features on this exchange. There's some bundle type features that you may want to use where you can buy, say, the top 10 coins, things like that. But as a beginner, as I say, all you really want to be looking at is just Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. And once you complete a bit more further education, you can worry about, okay, which altcoins, and as you can see, there's hundreds of them that you may want to buy. There's also the portfolio section, so that'll give you a summary of the coins that you are holding. There's not too much more that I want to cover from the exchange side of things. If you've followed everything in this part of the video, you should have set up your exchange now, and you should have verified your account. You should have deposited some money into the account, and now you're ready to buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other altcoins later on down the track. And now you're pretty much set up to take advantage of the cryptocurrency industry. In the next video, we're going to be covering setting up your wallets, and that's where you're going to really get your coins secure. It's really not advised to leave more than you're willing to lose on an exchange. You can see I have a bit of my funds here, around about $20,000 worth on this exchange right now, but I'm not willing to lose any more than that if this exchange went under. So all of my other holdings is off the exchange and in hard wallets. Okay, we're going to be looking at that in the next section of the video, and we're going to be looking at how you can actually transfer some funds out once you have bought them. So let's head over to the next part, which is setting up your wallets.